Classes and objects are the building blocks of any object-oriented programming language. Dart is a truly object-oriented programming language. That means everything in Dart is an object. So let us talk about now classes. Classes are the building blocks of any object-oriented programming language. Dart supports object-oriented programming language features like classes, interface, etc. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. That means once we create a class, when we give definition of a class, then we can create objects as many as we want. The syntax is similar to other programming language. First we have to begin with keyword class and then class name, open two curly braces, and then inside we can have fields that are variables inside a class, and then getters and setters. Getters and setters allow program to initialize and retrieve values of fields of a class. Then we have constructors that are responsible for allocating memory for objects of a class, and functions are nothing just like functions are they represent actions on object. They are also called methods. So let's start with class here with class keyword and class name. Inside it I will create a string name and initialize it with nothing, and then integer age, set it to 0. These are fields. These two are fields. You can see here fields. That is, a field is any variable declared in a class. Fields represent data pertaining to an object. Now inside this class I will use string keyword, string get student name, return name. This is called getters, and we need to set setter for this and for a student name. For that I will use void set student name, then this dot name is equal to name. So this is the getter and setter for this field, this variable. And when we create an object, then we will pass name to this getter method. For that I will use string data type and name. So this name is this keyword is used when we want to reference the current instance of an object. So this is used here. You can see this once when we will get the name, this will name is stored inside this, and you can see this name belongs to this name, and this dot name is this name. Now we need to finally we need to create getter and setter for int age. For that I will use int set student age, and this will take parameter, and this dot age is equal to age. So this will be assigned to this age will be assigned to this dot age. That means this dot age is a this age. because we are not using return keyword, so this will return nothing. Int get student age, return age. Now we need to create object of this class student, but before that I want to make another review of this. This string name is a variable of student class, and age is also variable, and these getters and setters are used to get and set the values of these two variables. The string get student name, this will return the name that we set here to the object. So let's create an object of this class inside a main method, void main. Student std is equal to new stu student. By this way we have created object of class student. Now we can call std dot student name is equal to, let's say, John. Std dot student age is equal to 22. Now we can use print statement, print std dot student, let's say first name. John and 22.